This is a song about a hillbilly, drug-taking criminal whose life turns around. He hears a cry far away in Sudan, in Africa, in the war. He gets on a plane and saves many lives. This song is for him. This song is for them. Gunman preacher is the name of a hero. He got in trouble, but the good Lord saved him. He learned his trade in the hurricane. It was a change from the needle pain. The Billy warrior, he was a hero, a different spirit, might of an angel. He heard a cry far in Africa. Before he knew it, he was on a plane. Gunman preacher, gunman preacher, one man army in another man's war. Let this country travel the war zone, constructing buildings in the name of the Father. He built up shelters and the children came. But bad man came and burnt them down to the ground. Gunman preacher, his spirit was broken. So many children cried out, Father, why? Then suddenly from the mouth of babes, he was a stone and nothing stood in his way. Lord knows there's gonna be some rough days. Lord knows there's gonna be some rough times. But who do you call when the people don't come? The people won't come when he calls. Gunman preacher, gunman preacher. They say he was just a one-man army, but he was never alone. Gunman preacher, gunman preacher. They say he was just a one-man army, but I tell ya, he was never alone. Is the name of a hero. The good Lord sent him to trouble water, rescue them children, and he raised war. He bought them shelters again and again. No one fought just quite like him. Lives were lost and